All right, hello and welcome back. Brett here with clickmill.co. In this video, we're going to begin by looking back at the search we started, and we're going to look at the keyword search volumes. I'm going to share my screen with you again now. We're going back to the same search, and that is church near me. Now, as you can see, we have all of these keywords showing up. And what are we looking at here? This is the column search volume. Okay. Now, the search volume is the number of average monthly searches. So, what that means is on the average month, 12 months out of the year, there are 301,000 searches for the term, the keyword church near me. Excuse me, churches near me. We'll zoom in on that a little bit so you can see it. Churches near me. So coming down, 246,000 monthly searches on average for Catholic church near me. Church near me, 165,000. So we can see that these are, highly searched terms. And at the same time, these are going to be smaller numbers if you're working with an individual ministry. And this is true with businesses. The further, this is the whole US. If we just look at, I don't know, McMinnville, Tennessee, it might be 50, it might be 500, because this is relevant to a large geographic area. And as you scale into smaller and smaller places, you're looking at smaller geographic areas. So less people there to do the searching, and you can get that information as well. This is nationwide. In the next video, we will continue over to the trend column, and we will continue over from there. I'll see you there.